Today's job was a Viking cooktop. This one was a fairly simple repair. The griddle switch shaft was broken. To replace this switch, we had to fully disassemble the front panel. We carefully disconnected connectors. Here's the difference between the broken part and the new replacement. In the same way, we carefully reconnected all the connectors and assembled everything back together. Cooktop is working like new again. If you have any problems with your Viking appliances, call us at 346-379-3809. Let the PowerOn team take care of all your appliance issues.